Today I have a GMC Sierra, and I'm going to show you how to brighten and dim the instrument panel lights. Okay, so you have the instrument panel right here. You can both brighten this to make it more bright so you can see, or you can dim it because you don't need that much light. I'm going to show you how to brighten it and dim it. All right, but before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Now let's get started. So I'm inside of the GMC Sierra. In order to brighten and dim the instrument panel, what you'll do is you'll come to the side and you'll see this right here. This right here is where you control the brightness and dimming of the instrument panel. There is one side that has a minus next to it, or negative, and there is a plus sign or a positive on this one right here. If I press the negative, again, my car is on, it will get dimmer. And if I press the positive, it'll get brighter. And I'll show you on the screen what it looks like. I'm pressing the dim. It gets dimmer. It's faint, but you can definitely see it's getting dimmer. And now I'm going to press the plus, and it's going to brighten it. See how it brightened up right there? So this is how you brighten and dim the instrument panel lights on a GMC Sierra. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.